What if I told you that everything that you know about losing weight, it is a lie? What if I told you that more than ever today and age is more people with overweight and obesity than ever before? What if I told you that millions and millions and millions of people, they enroll in a diet or exercise but still not losing the weight? We're addressing the weight gain like we were living 100 years ago. We have other challenges nowadays: toxins, stress, nutritional deficiencies, which they were not an issue back 100 years ago. The root cause of our weight gain is actually these three factors. And this is why I wrote a book about the root cause of weight gain and how to reverse it, have a sustainable long-term solution. Weight loss mastery, decoding the mystery of weight loss. This is a book that you must read if you're struggling with weight gain, weight loss, or you having just enough of diets and exercise. Discover how to lose weight effectively and sustainable. Check it out.